Are you over 65 and ready to embrace a healthier, longer life? Stick around, because today I'm sharing 5 science-backed habits that can add a decade or more of vibrant well-being to your golden years. From boosting your brain power to strengthening your muscles, these simple but powerful habits are supported by research and easy to start right now. Habit 1. Move daily. Habit number 1. Make daily movement non-negotiable. Studies show that seniors who stay active, whether it's a daily walk, light yoga, or gardening, have significantly lower risks of chronic illness and cognitive decline. Aim for just 30 minutes. No gym required. Dancing in your living room, gentle stretching, or neighborhood strolls all count. Habit 2. Strength train weekly. Habit 2. Incorporate strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Muscle mass naturally diminishes with age, but lifting light weights or using resistance bands can help reverse that. Increased muscle supports healthy bones, improves balance, and boosts metabolism. You don't need fancy equipment. Body weight squats, seated leg lifts, or simple dumbbell routines work wonders. Habit 3. Prioritize quality sleep. Third, don't skimp on sleep. For people over 65, 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is essential. Insufficient sleep has been linked to higher risks of heart disease, memory loss, and mood disorders. To improve sleep, keep a consistent bedtime, limit screen time before bed, and create a cozy, restful bedroom environment. Habit 4. Eat whole foods. Next, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. A diet rich in colorful vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and lean proteins has been shown to extend lifespan and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Swap processed snacks for nuts and fresh fruit. Add beans and soups to meals. Small changes over time equal big health benefits. Habit 5. Stay connected. Finally, keep your mind active and your heart connected. Engaging in social activities, lifelong learning, or volunteering doesn't just enrich your life, it protects your brain and supports emotional health. Pick up a book club, a weekly card game, or sign up for classes. These simple interactions feed the soul and keep your brain vigorous. Summary: 5 habits to live longer and better. 1. Move daily. 2. Strength train twice weekly. 3. Prioritize quality sleep. 4. Eat whole, plant-rich foods. 5. Stay socially and mentally active. These steps may feel small, but together, they stack into a powerful longevity formula. If you're ready to feel stronger, sharper, and more joyful after 65, start with one habit today. Let me know in the comments which one speaks to you, or if you have other favorite longevity tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a wellness boost. See you in the next one.